Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Hey, I want to let you in on a little secret. Did you know that by learning 7 basic chords and having a general understanding of bar chords, you can literally play hundreds of songs? Let's take a couple of minutes now and look at one of those chords. Okay, the D chord. Let's have a closer look. Starts with your first finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. This is an A note. Your 2nd finger then goes to the 2nd fret, 1st string. That's an F sharp note. Lastly, your 3rd finger to the 3rd fret to the 2nd string. And that is a D note. Now, when strumming this chord, you don't hit the 6th and the 5th string. You only strum from the 4th string to the 1st string. Should sound something like this. And there you have it. That's the D chord.